Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is Lesson 75. Let's look at the meaning of the name of the Apostle Bartholomew. Here in Matthew 10, verse 2 and 3, verse 2, now the names of the 12 apostles are these, and we see first Simon, who is called Peter, and skipping down to verse 3, but Philip and Bartholomew. There's our man that we're looking for. And we see that Bartholomew is represented as G918, the Greek word. And we see the transliteration of a Hebrew word into Greek as Bartholomeus, and it means son of Ptolemy. It says it's of Aramaic origin, of H1247 and H8526. H1247, I believe we've had before, but let's do it again. It's Bet, Resh, Bar, and the meaning is son. We see this word many times as a prefix, like in Bartimaeus or Barabbas or Bar Mitzvah. And this also has its origin in word H1121, Bet, Noon, Ben. We see this many times in the Hebrew scriptures as like words like Benoni or Benjamin. That is the idea of son, but its meaning goes down to the idea of building, or a son or an offspring, building the family, building the house. And so bar can have the meaning of son or offspring, or even a member of a group. The second part of Bartholomew is H8526, and we see that as Tav Lamed Mem Yod Talmai, and it means furrowed, and we see that its origin is from H8525. Telem, Tav Lamed Mem. It means furrow. It says it comes from an unused root meaning to accumulate, a bank or terrace or a furrow or a ridge. So the idea is of a mound of earth, a ridge. This seems to be the end of our digging to find a meaning for Bartholomew. Oftentimes, if you go one word in front of or one word behind the word you're looking at, you can get more significance. The preceding word, H8524, talal, has a meaning of exalt or eminent or exalted or lofty, and it comes from a primitive root to pile up, that is, to elevate or to make eminent. Going several more words away, we find the word tel sharsa, and the operative there is tel, tav, lamed, and it means the mound of the deaf-mute. We see this word tel in modern Hebrew in the word Tel Aviv, one of the main port cities in Israel. And the origin of this word tel is from H8510. Tav, Lamed, Tal, and it simply means a mound or a heap or a hill. And so we have Bartholomew, the son of a furrow or a mound or elevation. Could be an agricultural name or simply the fact that he might be the elevated son of a certain individual. The true meaning must lie in the roots of the word or the context of the culture.